Strong boss. The boy them a try play confused. Kill Rebel 6 and while we watch it pan news.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Yes, I know I need some things. It's forwarding soon, okay? I'm finna do it today, right after I do this video. You understand me? I do this video. What the hell? I thought I'd finish up with these videos that I'm posting today, alright? Now, what Fari than 6 never died. This song came out yesterday, I think. Yeah. You understand me? And I see people be sending it to me and thing. And so that's why I want for the song people. Tear up the like button. Tear up the like button. Like the video so more people get to see the video. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post and I'll post every single day. Numerous times for the day. Right now, got Fari done. 6 never die. Go check out the artist. As I say, go check out the song after and watch reaction boss reaction song to the link to the original song will be linked down below in the description of my video. You think me I say, I can see what I'm going for the tune right now. One tune. Alright then.
Sometimes man I sometimes me want cry but me. Some me feel like
don't cry but they can't cry. Yeah.
I don't feel explain it but
deal with it.
Sometimes me want cry but me tears not come. Me tired fi see me dog them beneath ground.
Yeah.
Tired to so much R.I.P. Dep and road. Strong boss. The boy them a try play confused.
Sure.
Kill Rebel 6 and while we watch it pan news. Feel it with that slow, we don't got a chip.
First of all, I say R.I.P. Rebel 6 rest up as me I say. We're gonna pull up a tune and we'll see what gonna make the song and thing. Because I see put in some clips from the funeral and thing because see what go on right there. So right now, run tune.
Now come, me tired fi see me dog them beneath ground. Tired to so much
pull up. Go on, we'll see what go on now. Run tune. Fari done.
Sometimes man
6 never die.
Sometimes
Shout out to the whole 6 MSM. First 6 young stars.
Some
6.
feel right. I don't feel explain it but sometimes me want cry but me tears not come. Me tired fi see me dog them beneath ground.
Yeah.
Tired to so much R.I.P. Dep and road. Strong boss. The boy them a try play confused. Kill Rebel 6 and while we watch it pan news. Feel it with that slow, we don't got a chip fuse. 6 never die, you want my
make it slow down. Yeah, you get the part, you get it.
R.I.P. 6 done J man them say R.I.P. Puppy 6 and Flinch them say R.I.P. Maddie and Chief5 say R.I.P. The whole of Simple them say R.I.P. BA 6 1800 say R.I.P. The 6 them in a Tobago say R.I.P. Rebel 6 kill and watch over way. The boy them a friend with some plastic smile. Now watch me quiet, through me grow wicked and wild. Never left in 9X, ever have a cool smile.
Sure.
From my heart me not trust the boy them yo killer. So much thing me hear your name in. I wish me coulda put it all in other song yeah. Me nah got this your dog. Me still watch you as a brother. Watch what you what the one do your thing better. Yeah.
Tough.
Sometimes me feel for cry, but me can't find me tears no.
John no
willing to risk me like
yo, dog, bro God give me like a I can't call it bro God because I don't know 6 daddy one. Anyways, give me a Chronic Cloud vibes, dog. And that's still 69 and 6 camp now. But they give me a Chronic Cloud vibes. That's a certain cloud that's lyrics. But when Chronic Cloud start spit some blood cloud lyrics in that difference you know. But Chronic Cloud got them kind of song to you. I said, look, yeah. Give me a Chronic Cloud vibe. But go on.
So me nah go
listen to the voice. Go on, tell me how
them call Wappy straight in. 2 nights after that Rebel 6 shooting. Left a mother, child, mother picnic, them screaming. Close shot, let a producer screaming. The 6 them still no believe it. Fire blazing, I grade enough punching. Never rebel 6 pan the block, we keep playing. Fari than 6, I got sure represent him.
Deal with
Just
it.
watch over me, while me keep
Deal with it, deal with
representing. Squash man, chronic love, and the 6
big
them.
up Squash
Me
and Chronic
sure
Love.
me
Def.
ever represent the 6 them.
Side.
Sure if you keep it trending. Bolo 6, pop it to them say R.I.P. Aeropoons outside them say R.I.P. Hilltop long circle I say R.I.P. Bellman Duncan Street them say R.I.P. See a hill to Plymouth them say R.I.P. Arlene to Goodwood them say R.I.P. Yo Golden Lane say R.I.P. The whole of 6 them say R.I.P. 6.
Then you come in with the bomber craze, right? Yeah, man, deal with it. Question of the day. People, when things are far than can deal with it. Things are far than can step up to the plate and deal with it the right way, people. Sound like him can do it, you don't want to think in the comment section. Let me know what go on. Deal with it. Deal with it, deal with it.
Sometimes
Okay,
I walk cry, but me tears not come. Me tired fi see me dog them beneath ground. Tired to so much R.I.P. dip and road.
Sometimes big up Granny, big up Granny, big up
Try
Granny.
play confused. Kill Rebel 6 and while we watch it pan news. Feel it with a slow, we don't got a chip fuse. 6 never die, by my time now. Bampton say R.I.P. Kill Rebel 6 and while we watch it pan news. Feel it with a slow, we don't got a chip fuse. 6 never die, by my time now. Bampton say R.I.P. 6 done Jam and them say R.I.P. Puppy 6 and Flinch them say R.I.P. Maddie and Chief I say R.I.P. The whole of Simple them say R.I.P. BI 6 1800 say R.I.P. The 6 them in a Tobago say R.I.P. Rubber 6 kill lion watch over with.
Shit.
Father say never put the trust in man.
I think them say him come from Tobago too, so. Cause people send me to that. To the brother, so. I think they say Tobago, I say big up over Tobago. But it a go look awkward. I'm not trying to separate Trinidad from Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago is the same backside place. As me say, so why am I gonna put Jamaican next to Tobago artists? You know what I mean? Me feel bad somebody start doing it and they say Trinidad. Instead I could have said TNT as me say, but I change it up and I start just put TNT as of now. We can put Tobago that I go look at where people are gonna say me I want to change up thing. People are gonna say me I try to separate the two. You see me? So me no want me try as best for stay away from backlash on the card in Trinidad, bacchanal. You see me I say some travels to stay away from all them little things. You know me?
Father hold me back and keep me back from achieving what I am to achieve, you see me?
Yeah.
Mad move. That we done proof.
Shit.
6.
Song done. So one thing about the song. One thing about the artist. I think the artist can come out so boom and take over the thing and do the thing the right way. Let me know down below in the comment section. You do me I say. Let me know my only thing about the song and the video. Is me right now me say yeah it's a chop. You do me I get the message and it well put together and thing and the song really touching too. You do me? But man nah. You do me I say? Yeah, but it have all I message and pre that song. One thing. Big up yourself again enough Fari done. 6 never die. The title alone, 6 never die. Outside. Big up on yourself. I'm out.